Jalwa, Jalwa. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on, baby, do your duty. What?
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell him like it is. I couldn't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, महकश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
आग सी रवानियां,
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबा को अफसाना, हर किसी पे छा जाना. हो ये जलवा, हो ये जलवा, कर दे सबको मस्ताना. है जमाना दीवाना, इनमें दौरे दिखलाना. है ये जलवा, है ये जलवा, हो किसी रवानियों.
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गई अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
Let me see your hands up. That's right. Hit me with it.
इसने सबको भरमाया है अजब इसकी माया. कोई भी बच ना पाया. हो ये जलवा, हो ये जलवा, आसमां भी दिखलाया, जमीन पे भी ले आया. जाना इसने करवाया. हो ये जलवा, हो ये जलवा, आग सी रवानियां.
Yo, I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गई अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां.
No
ये
doubt.
जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
Everybody shout it out. Let me hear you sing along. Let's go.
An engineer by profession, but my heart was always towards art, acting and modeling. So I decided to quit my job and start in the field of acting and modeling, and that's how I started Page 3 Artist. And now we are in the 8th year, and this is our first ever beauty pageant, and I'm really happy that the contest has gone successfully, and I would like to thank you all the models, brand partners, jury partners and our entire team for making this event successful. Thank you.
Anything would you like to say for upcoming models?
Yeah, I would like to say that keep working on yourself. More you keep working on yourself, definitely you are going to get the opportunity, and do not quit. Do not quit just after few trials. Just keep trying, 100% you are going to succeed. So yeah, we do modeling courses. So every month we have around 20-30 students joining us, and one of our USP of the program is self-transformation. We believe that a person can completely change himself or herself, by having a strong mind. So the main objective of our program is the self-transformation.
Tell about show director.
So Alex has been a great help. So as I mentioned, this was my first show. So Alex really helped me from end to end, all the journey, and he's a great show director.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
It feels amazing. It feels very amazing. We have excellent photographers. We have show directors as well. Mr. Alex, he is the show director. Apart from that, we are having 65 models on the platform. So they look very amazing in the designers, costumes, JD designers. Apart from that, Punky Sony also is there. So this event is our first event. So it gives us immense pleasure and we feel very happy.
Alex, I'm the show director for the Pastry Artist. It's a wonderful show. The journey was very nice. All the makeup artists, everything has been good.
Dream has come true, and I would like to thank Pastry Artist platform for this amazing grooming session, and I would like to dedicate this award to myself for the immense hard work and then grooming that I have done to myself in all aspects, be it physical, mental, spiritual and emotional. Thank you, Pastry Artist.
Pastry for a while, and this opportunity was relatively new because I have never participated in any pageants before this. So I was really overwhelmed and by this win, and it's been great to be here. It's been a great platform for me, and it's my first pageant ever. So for a person who has been a pageant enthusiast since she was a child, I actually have applied for Miss India and Miss Diva a couple of times, and I think that's the next stop for me now after this. So you'll see me next at Miss India now, I guess.
Today's event, thanks to Page 3 Artists for giving us this platform, and they've trained us with the ramp walk and all that, and thanks to Alex, also the show coordinator. He really made us work hard towards it so that we could showcase our talent, and we just proved it. And thanks once again to Page 3 Artists for giving us this platform. Thank you.
So I joined Page 3 Artist as a upcoming aspiring model and an actor, and it landed me here in this pageant wonderfully. It's a diverse pageant. Everybody is participating, and I thank Page 3 Artist for this platform, for giving me this platform. Thank you.
I have attended Page 3 Artists Acting and Modeling Institute in October 2022, and I got good experience there, and this is my first pageant participation. I really love the way they have done it, and I've even won the subtitle as a top model award. So, and the event itself, it was very overwhelming, and thank you so much.
Hope you all enjoyed this show. So see you all at the next episode. Bye bye.